Hello and welcome to my world. I'm Jabulul Patla from JabulOnline.com and I'll be the host for this training. I'm so glad our paths have met. What is my mission before we get into the training session? I'm on a mission to help home entrepreneurs and network marketers grow their businesses online. Welcome to our sales training session. It is titled How to Prospect for Sales. Selling skills are one important skill that everyone should have, because I believe we all are on a mission to sell something, to persuade, to influence. So everyone is a salesperson. Yes. So the purpose of the training is to help you on how to prospect for sales. So what are we going to cover here? I'll reveal to you the 3 different markets that are there when you're prospecting for sales. We have the warm market, lukewarm market, and the cold market. But stay right up to the end so that you can know what these markets are all about and how you can make use or present your business at any of these markets. Yes, so why is it important for you to know the types of markets? This will enable you to know how to do a sales pitch. It will enable you to be more prepared for sales conversation. It will also help you to preempt objections. Why? I believe a salesperson is one of the people who get the most objections. So those who make success out of sales or close more are those individuals who can preempt the objection, because they already know the markets they are presenting the business to. And this will help you so that you can sell like a professional. The goal is to have as many sales closes as we can. So without wasting time, let's go straight to the types. Type number 1, it is the warm market, and this is my favorite. You'll know very soon why it is. In the warm market, these people, they know who you are. These are the people who know who you are. They know what you stand for in the market. It is very easy to sell to these people. Why? Because they trust you. Because you already have a sales rapport. And some of them, you already have a sales relationship. But there is one challenge that you have for this market. You have to put a lot of work to put them in this group, because you already have a relationship with them. So you put in the work for them to be in this market. But these are the people who are the first to take on your business presentations, business offers. You have a new product. They are the first people to grab it. So that is why this is my favorite. This is where the repeat business comes in. These are more of the ambassadors for your business. You have to treat them well. And if they are in this business, there is a concept from a book by Gary Vee, and the book is titled Jab, Jab, Right Hook. It is a marketing concept, and if you take that concept, you apply for this market, you get good business. And in brief, the concept is, all it says is that on the market, the jab, he takes the jab as valuable content, helpful content that you give to your market. At the same time, the right hook are your business offers, are your business presentation. So Gary Vee is saying you have to mix both. It shouldn't be a jab, not only value. It shouldn't be a right hook, because he's taking that concept, the sales business concept, is into the boxing field. Saying boxing, for you to have success, you have to mix the two. So that's he's bringing it in social media and saying, make sure you give value, and also don't forget you're in it for business. So it's jab, right hook. Jab, right hook. Give value, offer a business presentation. By so doing, you would have made good use of this market. But what I want to emphasize is that you have to put in work so that they're in this people are in this group. You have more people in this group. It is my favorite, but let me go next to the next one. Then the type number 2. The second type, the second group, the market, it is the local market. The people, it's the people whom you became friends on social media, but you don't really know each other. Social media says you're friends, but actual fact you are not. So somehow you know each other, but you don't really know each other. And these people, they don't know what you stand for. In my advice to this market, don't offer the business presentations, but your effort should be to turn these people and upgrade them to the warm market. Give more value, be helpful to them, and push them so that they're in the warm market. Yes, so on this group, just upgrade them. Then we have the last one. This is the cold market. And these are people whom you have never connected with. They don't know you, and you don't know them. You don't know each other. But because you're in business, somehow, and you have to grow your numbers, somehow you think you can have success. The sales pitch. Yes, you can go ahead and market to them, but the success of it is on the sleeve. What I would rather do is turn this cold market, turn these people and upgrade them to the lukewarm and eventually to the warm market. Create a sales rapport with them so that you prepare for a buying environment, a buying relationship with them. So upgrade them, create a value to them, build trust, help them, and upgrade them to the upper levels. And as a round down, we said we have the lukewarm market, we have the warm market, the lukewarm market, and the cold market. Then there are people on the lukewarm market and the cold market, and I've seen a lot of people trying to market and pushing for sales to these people. My advice would be to push them and upgrade them to the warm market. But then, if you feel you can have success in pitching to these people, my advice is there are things that you have to avoid doing online. And one of them, avoid sending links on your first message. Don't forget, people first connect with you before they connect with the business offer that you have. So don't put the business offer up front. Build trust. That's the reason why I said you have to upgrade them to the warm market before you go to the business presentation. But if you want to present to them, make sure you don't send the links on this first message. Don't even send business links or information via message or in inbox. Or allow me to say, just don't send any links. Maybe you might be surprised why I'm saying so. This sounds it looks spammy. And don't forget we're on social media. And these platforms, they don't like such acts. They come to be spammy. And don't forget, you are a professional. If you want to be treated as such, you should act as such as well. So you are a professional, act as such. But all the best if you're doing those thoughts. But my advice is to turn the people on the cold market to the lukewarm and eventually to the warm market, and put more effort on the warm market using the concept that I explained, the jab, right hook, jab, right hook, offer value. But don't forget, we are in it for business. And we have come to the end of the training, but here's a roundup. The three markets that are there. We have the warm market. These are the people. These are your ambassadors. They know who you are. They know what you stand for. They are the first takers, and you should have more people in this group. We have the lukewarm. They know you, but they really don't trust, or you don't have that relationship that can create a sales relationship. And we have the cold market. These are the people whom you don't know. So my advice is, tell the cold people and upgrade them to the first, to the lukewarm or the warm market. Why? This increases your chances of success in your sales pitches. So build trust first. Build trust, offer value. And a good salesperson only presents a business offer to the challenges of a prospect. Identify the challenges of a prospect and offer a product as a solution. With that being said, thank you so much for attending and listening right up to the end. So to get more and more of such videos and trainings, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the red button on the YouTube channel to subscribe. Otherwise, all the best in your business. Keep selling, keep pushing, keep hustling. For myself, Jabulon Pasha from jabulonline.com. For now, till we meet again, I'm out.